पडून आशिल्ल्या आयर्न ओराच्या पावणेंत पहिल्या भाशेन ट्रेडर्सांक वांटेकार जावपाक मेळचे ना अशी तरतूद ई ऑक्शनाच्या नेमांत केल्या.
And now the entire lot is assessed, its value is assessed, and suppose if there is one location, if there are 10 stacks are there, the entire location of 10 stocks is made as one lot, its value is assessed as per average selling price of the IBM, that is made as a base price. This is the first change. The second is that only the exporters and the end users are allowed to participate. Just for the sake of participating and trading, selling A to B, B to C and all that we are not permitting.
29व्या ई ऑक्शनात 22 लॉट आसात. वट्ट म्हाल 1.7 मिलियन मेट्रिक टन.
It is live now on MSTC portal, and so far we have done 28 e-auctions. This is the 29th e-auction for 1.17 million metric tons of iron ore. Now the balance 16 lots of 28th e-auction and additional 6 lots are added to it. So this particular 29th e-auction has 22 lots.
आणि काही चेंजेस तेंच्यांनी ई ऑक्शन प्रोसेसान केला. पयलीं ह्या एक्सट्रॅक्टेड आयर्न ओराच्या ई ऑक्शनाक ट्रेडरांक पार्टिसिपेट जावंक मेळटाले. एकूच खंयचो ब्लॉक खूब जाण बी घेताले. सो आतां तें जावचें ना. आतां फक्त एंड युजर आयर्न ओराचो एंड युजर आहा और एक्सपोर्टर्स आहा तांकांच ह्या ई ऑक्शनाक पार्टिसिपेट जावपाक मेळटलें.
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार.